The following is a tutorial on how to use the powerful allure of magic, the fly trap. For starters, take the trap and place it on a flat and secure surface, this to avoid any injuries while cutting around the pre-marked area. To effectively set up the trap, you will need a sharp pair of scissors, water, and any kind of cord that can go through the plastic ring on the pop-out door to hang the trap. Go ahead and cut around the pre-mark area. Now let's hang the trap outdoors, remembering to fill it up with water up to the designated line. Does it work? Let's have a look into a trap that was set up 2 days ago. No pesticides or chemicals needed. The flies simply drown after they are attracted by the bait. And that is how you set up an effective, non-toxic outdoor fly trap. Once it has catch its fill, simply dispose of it.